Hey guys, welcome back, and today's adventure we're gonna go exploring the Christmas lights in London. The first stop is the Ellen Tree of Hope, a carousel-themed tree decorated with festive ribbon printed with quotes of love and hope from an amazing NHS staff, key workers and carers. A short walk away outside the station is the People's Tree, an interactive multicoloured installation. Not far from there is the electric Neamonton tree, which is inspired by the origins of the Christmas tree tradition, designed by local architectural practice. Not far from there, Botanical Boys have designed the Terranium tree, which is made up of 70 terraniums and 168 mirrored baubles. Finished at the first location and I'm off to the next one. Tate Britain's installation is titled Remembering a Brave New World. The bright lights combine Hindu mythology, Bollywood imagery, colonial history and personal memories of the artist Sheila. So we're here. I changed locations and strolled down the festive London streets. Guys, here in Oxford Street, and the lights here are beautiful. The usual glorious golden angels shine high from above. On Carnaby Street, the neon lights are filled with positive words to pay tribute to the strength, courage and kindness of Londoners during this difficult year. Covent Garden is twinkling in lights and Christmas decor, from the winter forest to the mistletoe chandeliers and the magnificent Christmas tree decorated with 30,000 lights and giant baubles. London is definitely Christmassy right now. All the lights, all the beautiful lights and art installations, definitely check it out.